So in this next film, we're going to talk about the A-frame main sheet system. So on board this vessel, we have two main sheets, one on port and one on starboard. In this case, we actually have two winches dedicated for each sheet. I'm going to demonstrate easing the mainsail, and you'll see what that looks like. In this case, we have two sheets, so a question comes up, which one do we choose? Well, we choose the one that the wind is coming onto. So in this case, we're on a starboard tack. The wind's coming over on my right side. So I'm going to choose this right, or our starboard main sheet. This will be our active main sheet. So if I need to ease the mainsail, I could simply ease and the boom moves away from the wind and the main depowers and we slow down. Conversely, if I want to power the boat up, I need to bring this sheet in. So we can bring this sheet in, the boom comes close to center line. Now in this boat with two main sheets, we have our primary main sheet being our windward side. That we just demonstrated, we can ease, the boom moves out, we can bring it in, and the boom comes to center line. But another function we have with the leeward main sheet is this helps bring the boom up and down. So in this case, I'll demonstrate if I ease this sheet, the boom will move up and tends to spill the wind off the top of the sail. Conversely, if I bring that sheet on, we really flatten the sail, or we bring the boom down. And that gets into our next topic, which will be mainsail trim, including twist. So with this A-frame main sheet system, some of the benefits we have is we have two sheets that hold the boom down. So when we get into a sloppy sea state, the boom isn't jostling around, which generally is quite unpleasant. It can be loud, cause a lot of banging, and really wake everyone up. So in this case, I'm going to demonstrate that here actually. We're in just a little bit of a sloppy sea state now. So I'm going to ease my leeward sheet a whole lot. And we can see now the boom is starting to move up and down. It's almost pumping up and down with each wave set. And this can become quite loud if you're in a really violent seaway or the wind starts to drop. If we only had one sheet, we wouldn't have a way to prevent that boom from moving. In this case, with the twin main sheet system, or the A-frame main sheet system, we can prevent our boom. So we have a built-in boom preventer. So we can see that that red line is quite lazy and slack. I'm going to bring that in. There we go. So now we have stopped the boom from moving around, and it's staying in its location, and it acts as a preventer when we're sailing off the wind.